Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again. I'm back with another 1/500 scale airline review, and today we're going to be looking at the Aeroclassics Japan Airlines Boeing 777-246. The catalog number is A5JA8984, and this is a 2010 release, limited production. Comes in the Sky Eco colors with One World and UNICEF logos. Also has rubber wheels and they do roll. The registration is JA8984 and is powered by two Pratt & Whitney 4084 engines. And this is one that I tried to get through, I think, Just Plain Fun, but they were sold out of it and didn't update their catalog. So I had to actually go online and try and get it, which I did. And that's what the tail normally looks like, or used to anyway. They put the part of the red disc on there, their national logo. But this one is a little different. Keeping with the green theme, they actually made it green. Which I know this isn't a 777, but there's my One World 767, and there is the green 777. Anyway, but there it is. Got some dust on it. Take a little closer look. I love the little paper airplane that's on there. Sky Eco. It's the UNICEF logo there. Registration. This is Boeing 777. Oh, the APU in the back on the tail. Try and hurry it up a little bit here because I think the battery power is about to go out. I just did like 6 or 7 videos. Flip it over. It's got the nice gray and white deal going on there. All metal construction. Good engines. And that is pretty much it. Like I said, that green tail, that's pretty neat. I'm sure that if it just had a red tail I wouldn't have even bought it, but I did, so that's it. I know, I know I don't sound real enthused, but I think after you do 100 and something videos, it's like, what else is there really to say? So I hope I'm not boring anybody. I hope that you're not finding this to be a, my tone of voice to be a problem or anything like that. It's just, yeah, I mean, they're airplanes. I mean, I got a ton more over there, so I mean, got more underneath the thing here. I got, those are all boxes, nothing but. Of course, there's a Lego train there I'm not done with, but yeah, I got more over there too. In those boxes, and those boxes, that box. So, not to show off, but I've got a lot of them to go. I mean, I'm almost to 600 planes. So, and I've only done about 112 or so by now. So, bear with me. But anyway, again, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And that should do it. You guys have a good day. I think it's going to be my last video for the evening. Alright, later.